Hey, beauty lovers. Did you know the secret to radiant skin might be hiding in your kitchen? Yes, I'm talking about cabbage, nature's humble miracle for skin health. Cabbage is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. And it's loaded with vitamin C and K, which promote collagen production, reducing wrinkles and healing scars. But it's not just for your skin. Cabbage aids digestion, detoxifies the body, and even helps with weight management. Add cabbage to your meals for glowing skin and a healthier you. Let's start with a simple cabbage face mask for glowing skin. You'll need 4 cabbage leaves, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Boil the cabbage leaves for about 5 minutes, then blend them into a smooth paste. Mix the cabbage paste with yogurt and honey, apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. This mask hydrates the skin, reduces wrinkles and provides a natural glow. Next up, a soothing remedy for irritated skin, cabbage and aloe vera gel. You'll need 3 cabbage leaves and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Crush the cabbage leaves and extract the juice. Mix the cabbage juice with aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture to your skin and leave it for 10-15 minutes. Wash off with cool water. This remedy is great for soothing sunburn or sensitive skin. Now let's make a cabbage juice toner. You'll need 5 cabbage leaves and 1/2 cup of distilled water. Boil the cabbage leaves in water for about 10 minutes. Let the mixture cool, then strain the liquid. Store it in a spray bottle or jar. Use a cotton pad to apply the cabbage water to your face as a toner after cleansing. It's perfect for keeping your skin fresh and revitalized. For acne and blemishes, try a cabbage compress. You'll need 2 cabbage leaves. Boil the cabbage leaves for a few minutes to soften them. Let them cool slightly and place the leaves directly on acne-prone areas or blemishes. Leave on for 10-15 minutes and remove. This compress can help soothe inflamed skin and reduce redness. Finally, the cabbage and egg white tightening mask. You'll need 2 cabbage leaves, 1 egg white, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Boil and mash the cabbage leaves. Mix the mashed cabbage with the egg white and olive oil. Apply the mask to your face and neck. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Regular use of this mask can help tighten your skin and reduce fine lines. These cabbage-based remedies are easy to make at home using natural ingredients that are great for your skin. Let me know if you'd like more tips or variations. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more beauty hacks and health tips. Until next time, keep hustling for that health.